Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 6 times 6 divided by 6 minus 6 squared divided by 6. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here first we do this parentheses, and inside this parentheses we have 6 divided by 6, which equals 1. So we have 6 times 1 minus 6 squared divided by 6. Now according to the PEMDAS, we have to handle this exponent. 6 squared gives us 36. So 6 times 1 minus 36 divided by 6. Now we have one multiplication, one subtraction, and one division. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. And also multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first this multiplication, 6 times 1 gives us just 6. So 6 minus 36 divided by 6. Now we do this division. 36 divided by 6 gives us 6. So 6 minus 6, which equals 0. So our final answer to this problem is just 0.